not a good play right now. You're on the losing end. But your team played very well today. You know, in terms of defensive and in the attack, you throw a lot of punch, but just going to get the score more than one goal. Talk us through the moment right now.
I mean, emotionally, feel disappointed that we couldn't cross the line to get to the super final. However, I think the fight from the team, the belief from the team, going into the both games, both legs, we try to execute something, try to put the tactics of the coaches' information together, and try to get the 3 points in both rounds. However, we just came up short.
When you look tactically with the matchup on the right side with Aspidalis and Celestine.
Left side. Their right side, our left side. Yes.
It was, in terms of quality, Celestine really took charge over that side, really created the opportunity. 2 games, in my opinion. Talk us through what you think went wrong in that scenario.
I mean, you have to give credit where credit is due. Give credit to the Mount Plesant player doing what he can as an attacking player to get forward. And I mean, it was not the best of efforts from our left back. However, he still was dominant in most areas, especially coming back into the second game.
In the second half, Mount Plesant changed your tactics. You put on Siobhan Walsh to go more direct, but that 1v1 battle between you and Walsh, you came out victorious in my opinion. Talk us through that.
Walsh, good friend of mine, we always keep in contact. I mean, the physical appearance of both players is very demanding on both ends, defensively and offensively. However, I mean, a little better experience came into play where he became a little more dominant in most of the duels. But respect to him all the time.
So Trimmingham, what's next?
What's next? Hopefully, I mean, with the season that we have had, for me, I would love to go abroad again, return to playing football abroad, and I mean, stamp my authority back into the national team and continue going for all, not only for the club, but for national team appearances as well.
Thank you very much, Josiah.
No problem at all.
Good work.
No problem at all.
See you again.
Thank you.